Cargo door closing with electric pump. As for the opening, we will show the aft cargo door operation, which is similar to the forward one. The instructions for closing are written on the fuselage. A platform is required because of the height of the aircraft. Make sure that the sill latches are up and that the door can close freely. Set the selector to close. The electric pump runs and the door starts to close. When you reach the second detent of the lever, the green light goes off. Release the selector when the door is in contact with the frame. The electric pump continues to run for a few seconds. Push the latching handle into the recess. Push the locking flapper down to the locked position. Make sure that all indicator flags are flush with the surface of the door. The door closing procedure using the electric pump is now completed.